Today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 245 different strategies, with 77 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 135 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,002 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says highly precise buy-sell signals from this automated TradingView indicator. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy. Now I'm not really sure what the source video means by automated TradingView indicator. Feel like most indicators are automated, but nonetheless. So what we will do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators like this. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the moving average trend sniper indicator. This one right here. So you'll click that, add it to the screen, and you'll go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the inputs you'll change the length of this to 21. And click OK. Oh, you can also change these colors here to green on this one and red to this one here. Click OK there. Then the next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the normalized smoothed MACD. And so it'll be this one right here. You'll click on that, add it to the screen, and click on the settings on this one as well. You'll change the fast period here to 200, the slow period here to 300, the smoothing period to 145, and the normalized period to 100. Then you can jump into the styles on this one as well. Change the color 0 to green and color 1 to red. And you can uncheck the signal line right there. With all that set up, you should see as I see on screen now. And what we are looking for is the coloration shift of the moving average trend sniper, the trend sniper line here. It's actually kind of hard to see. Let's see if we can do this, and you can see here that it's switching from green to red, and again it's kind of hard to see. Sometimes it's buried behind price action, so what we have to do is look at the numbers right above my mouse here, and when we mouse over the specific spots of the indicator line, the trend line there, you can see it is changing colors. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and turn back on price action, and you can see that we shift from green to red right here, and then back to green right here. We also get a shift from here to there as well, and so that would be valid as well. And so what we're looking for is that shift. In this case, we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for the shift from the red to green. And when we get that shift in the color there, we're going to look down to the smooth MACD, and we want the smooth MACD to be green. One thing I didn't mention in the settings, this probably looks vastly different, is you're going to want to change these to columns. instead of, I believe it's area is what it has it set to. And so that will look a little bit closer to what I have now. And so what you will do again is look for that shift in the color, the coloration of the line. And then the columns down here need to confirm that they are also green when you get that shift. And so in this case, our long trade is going to be set right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this little swing right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Zoom this in a little closer. Right about there should be fine. Play this forward. And you see pretty much within a couple candles, we hit that take profit. All right, and for a short trade, what we're looking for is that color switch in the line. So again, looking at the numbers here, you can see we're green here, and then we switch to red right here. When we switch to that red, we're going to look down, and we have the bars here, the MACD colored bars, not only red, but below the zero line. And so same way with a long trade, they need to be above the zero line in green. In this case, they need to be below the zero line and red. When you get those there that line up, you'll put your trade there, put the stop right above this little swing right here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And this one takes just a bit longer, but we eventually make that push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades, putting it at a 54% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $9,200 for an overall gain of $7,000 altogether. So not too bad. That's over about 1 month worth of trading. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 51 trades altogether. We had 44 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $26,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $20,100. Significantly better results, again, over about 1 month worth of trading. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame we keep track each week of the trades the Academy of Forex Indicator has signaled. On the Forex pairs this last week, we did 2 trades altogether. We had 2 winning trades and 0 losing trades, putting it at a 100% win rate. That would have been a gain of $1,200. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, and 1 losing trade, putting it at a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $300. For the week, we would have been up $1,500, and over the 20-week total, now we would have been up $38,560 over 170 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no